Hi everyone. So if you guys are also preparing for the Intel Corporation and this company is visiting your campuses, let me tell you some of the important pointers which you must prepare for the interview. So this particular company is leading multinational company in technological sector, okay, which makes like various equipment related to technological CPUs, computers, PCs, and a lot of things are there. So if you're also targeting this company, let me tell you, this is the documentation where you need to be check it out on the Europedia panel. And this is including all the relevant pointers, starting with this leading American company, multinational technology company, which is headquartered in Santa Clara, California, specialized in designing, manufacturing, and selling semiconductor chips. ठीक है एंड कंप्यूटिंग कंपोनेंट्स ये इसके मेजर कंपोनेंट्स हैं इसके यू कैन से बिजनेस वर्टिकल्स हैं ठीक है वो अभी डिटेल में भी वी आर गोइंग टू बी डिस्कस इट हैज बीन फाउंडेड इन 1968 बाय गॉर्डन मुरे रॉबर्ट नॉइस एंड अर्थर रॉक these are the three people you need to be aware ki who has founded that ये कुछ important pointers है Intel is a Fortune 500 company and was among the top 3 semiconductor companies right so this is the company is engaged heavily in AI and data center advances and the various product related to computing components ye please just have a look to these important pointers to get more about this company okay talking about this core business verticals this is client computing group data center and AI group, Intel Foundry Services, okay, graphics devices is also making memory and storage solutions. Okay. If I talk about production services, CPUs, GPUs, AI chips, memory, networking, FPGAs, and software and ecosystem. So this is totally related to technological field. Okay, and a lot of candidates want to be like prepared for such company who is giving them innovation and creation in this technological field. Top management you can have who is a top management CEO. You just need to check it out. These are some current initiatives taken by Intel Corporation, AI-driven innovation, operational efficiency and restructuring, sustainability and future technologies it is looking for. Okay? Current news, AI chip launches, okay? Workforce reduction announcement, technological milestones, and these are some interview questions which you must prepare in the HR sessions with your peer mentors. There are 3 important questions. What do you know about this Intel Corporation? Why do you want to join and how you're going to be contribute to this? So these are the 3 important questions which you must prepare in the various HR sessions with your Yourpedia. And for the best of the practice, join Yourpedia right now.